So when we talk about the germinating seed, what we actually need to explain that how the roots are developed or how the shoots are developed. Okay, is the development of root or shoot from a seed. So first of all, we need to know or have a knowledge of a seed structure. Okay, so the seed is has basically an outer covering which is known as testa. Okay, then the embryo is present. What is embryo? It's a zygote. When the male and female gamete combine, they make a zygote. There would be division in the zygote and they will form an embryo. Okay, so from embryo a new plant is going to be formed. Clear? Okay, so this embryo, it would be differentiated into different parts. For example, if we talk about human, the human embryo is also developed, also developed as eyes, ears, hands, legs. Okay, so in the same way the plants also develop the shoot and root. So the shoot part, it started to move upward, so basically we called it plumule, and the root part is going to move downward, which is radicle. Okay, so when the seed germinate, the embryo begins to grow into a young, we can say plant or a seedling. Then one more thing I have missed, a cotyledon is present. So cotyledon is a concept of chapter number 1. Then there are two type of cotyledons, one cotyledon or monocotyledon or two dicotyledon. I'll give you an example of maize or corn and the gram seed or pea. Okay, it's a dicotyledon. So cotyledons are also developed which actually contain the food for the plant or they store food. Have you ever experienced or have ever done the experiment when you place the peas in the refrigerator for many days? It automatically starts to grow its plumule and the radicle. Do that, you'll observe that. So basically, there are two parts of the pea plant. These are two cotyledons that provide food for the embryo to grow. Okay, so that is basically a seed. A plant grows from a seed. So this is all about the germination. Only this part is important. Okay, then if we talk about the what factors are affecting, then there are many. So we need a proper temperature. Cotyledons should be present. Cotyledons must have enough food so that the plant can grow from it. Then it has an outer covering, testa, which gives the protection to the internal part of the seed. Okay. Then definitely we have to mention that there are enzymes present for the sol. No, 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 no. Let's talk about oxen. Oxen, oxen. Okay, what is oxen? We'll discuss that. Wait, let me find the diagram. The oxen is coordination, response in plants. What? Only this topic is given? Oxen is not given to you? Why my voice is like a robotic voice? Okay, here is a diagram.